Now it's time to invite the mastermind, Sarah's mentor and guide, who actually prepared Sarah for this record. So please help me welcome Mr. Sushant Masorkar, CEO, Brainline Singapore. Welcome, Sushant, and congratulations.
Sarah has done it. I knew this. This is not a surprise for me because always everything happens twice. So I have already seen this picture in mind a few months back when I started coaching Sarah. So I got to see that spark in her, and today it has been converted into reality. Really proud of you, Sarah. You have made me proud. You have made your family proud. You have made India proud as well as UAE proud.
Thank you, sir.
So, Sushant, when a student creates a world record, the happiest person is their teacher or mentor. But the journey behind achieving that success is not that easy. So, how did this journey of Sarah's world record begin?
Yes. So as Sunilji mentioned, that it started with a memory program. So in that program, when we were also, I was teaching Sarah in Dubai. We had a program, and I saw that spark in Sarah, wherein she was completely different. It was a unique ability. You can say that you can find a diamond from the stones. So those diamonds needs to be just polished a little bit. Just बोलते हैं ना कि just you have to clean that diamond and that diamond flourishes. So just I think I've not played a major role. I will not take complete credit on me. The efforts, it's a complete team efforts. The efforts which Sarah has put, efforts what her parents have put. Everybody has played a keen role, and each role today I think salute to each role. So all of us have contributed, and Sarah has made all of us really very proud.
Great.
Nearly about 500 plus hours have been put into this, and each hour it's a productive hour. So each productive hour counts and really takes us to a next level. And today we have crossed that level.
Great. So, did you use any special technique that helped Sarah to develop such powerful memory?
Yes, because there are three four challenges. The first challenge was to remember the difficult names. Second challenge was to connect those names with the currency as well as capital. Two things, because two again these three different names and three different pronunciations. So there were a lot of challenges. So three four techniques together. One is connecting technique. One is the pronunciation technique. One is a vocabulary technique, and overall a creative visualization technique. So all these three, four techniques combined together, it really played a major role. And to get connected with all these, it really required a lot of efforts from each one of us. And each one of us contributed. And Sarah will vouch for it that there were some words which were really very difficult. And Sarah had really, I'm really proud of Sarah, very, very proud of Sarah. I don't have, if there is word beyond proud, I will take that word also because the efforts which she had put up, and I really salute the complete family because it's a complete, when the family comes together, I think you can create, this is one small record, it can create much more beyond records. So now Sarah has raised her standards, and now I also just, I'm going to announce this. Now I'm going to not allowing Sarah to keep quiet. I'll be having, I have some more plans for Sarah, and you will find this details on Sarah's YouTube channel. So I would request all of the people who are watching this, the participants, to subscribe to Sarah's channel, listen to her wonderful stories, and please don't forget to click the bell icon because through that you will come to know the details about the next record, which will be soon announcing it, along with the dates, along with the posters, along with lots of things which we have done. And I'm sure the next record, I have not told Sarah's parents also and Sarah also, but I'm sure that Mr. Sunil will definitely move forward and take this to a next level. And Sarah will also be ready. So without asking them, I really announce here that we are going to have another updated and upgraded record, which you will be doing this year itself. So all the
Wow.
participants who are listening to this, please, please, please go to the YouTube channel immediately, subscribe, press the bell icon, and wait for the details. Details will be soon uploaded.
Great, great. And with this announcement, I also want to, take this privilege without asking Sunil well in advance that I will be only the hosting that event also. So to watch that event live on this, channel or my channel, subscribe my channel too. Okay. So moving further, Sushant, what other can you teach just one technique over here? Can you just demonstrate any one technique to our viewers, please?
Okay, sure, sure. I would love to, because I feel that every child is a genius. Only we need to, some parents need to identify, as Mr. Sunil and Sarah's mother has identified, and they have really given an open consent and helping hand to move forward. I would appeal to all the parents to really identify those key areas among the children and take them ahead. Okay, so coming to the technique. So that is, there is a technique called sub cinema, which is about to, now we are going to copyright that technique, and it's in a process. In next few days it will be copyrighted. So what is this technique all about? I'll just give a little glimpses, because once it is copyrighted we will be definitely floating and all, and I've shared this technique with Sarah. So what does this mean? Sub stands for story, A stands for association, and P stands for how weird we can make this story. We can connect these stories. Okay. So once you, whatever you have to connect things, we all know our brain loves stories. Our brain loves to read stories, watch movies, read different comics. So all these, and what we do in our regular life, right from the moment we wake up till we go to sleep, we create stories. We tell stories. So our near and dear ones love those stories. So why not implement those stories in our academics as well as our competitive life, wherein we can move forward and make this as our inbuilt ability to remember things. The second thing is association. So association, we need to connect things. Okay. So when we connect things, we are, we know that if I have to remember the lot of, now she had remembered 195 countries. So to remember this in a sequence, we need to connect and associate. So associate helps us to connect with the neurons, and these neurons we have around nearly about, there are a lot of different numbers which come out. So but the research says around 85 billion to 100 billion neurons we have. So connecting these neurons, if there is a link between each neuron, the connectivity, the comprehension, and ability to remember, store, and recall improves. So association is one of the things, and B stands for bizarre. So bizarre thinking is one of the activity of creative ability which each one of us have, and this creative ability, if we really expand and really learn, because this is a learning we need to do, because we are all logical. The moment we get up, we start thinking about the students think about, okay, my school timing is 7:30, I need to reach 5-10 minutes before, because I need to be present for the prayers too. Professionals think that, okay, 10 o'clock my first meeting is there. Senior citizens think I have to take my capsules, I have to take my medicines. So the moment we get up, we start thinking in terms of logic. But do we really think in terms of creative ability? So musicians, the dancers, the singers, and Sarah is also a very creative artist. She's a dancer. She cooks very well. So cooking also requires a creative ability. So I'll say all the homemakers. Renuji will agree with me that when Sunilji says that my friends are going to come, Renuji doesn't have to think much. She just combines a few things and prepares something. And yes, you call, now we are friends. Let them come at any time. I am ready. So I'm sure they are all creative. So this bizarre activity which needs to be done, that needs to be really straightforward, and that needs to be learned. So Sarah had learned it very nicely and in a very straight way. I did not I was also not stressful, neither she was. So we enjoyed the journey of, let's say, 3 to 6 months. And yes, I can see the excitement on Sarah's face. Please, Sarah, express your excitement. I don't want to stop your excitement. Go on.
Uh, I have no words to express. It's just like something that I've never imagined, and I'm very happy that I've done this today. And yes, as you have said about the storytelling technique, it actually has helped because there were many countries where there were pronunciation problems. Let me give you one example. We'll say Yamoussoukro, we can say Cote d'Ivoire, and the capital is Yamoussoukro. Now, I don't think anyone can spell that. So you make like a small, short story of it with the country's capital and currency, like what I did, and you'll ultimately remember it easily, and it will get fit into your head instead of just going through it 10 times, 100 times. That is not the way you'll remember. But yeah, the storytelling technique has really helped me.
Great. So thank you, Sushant, for sharing this one of the memory techniques through which Sarah is able to create this world record today. And of course, she has created a history by being the first person to display her excellent memory power by this memorizing countries, capitals, and their currencies. So I know you have some other assignments to complete, and you are in hurry. So you have already told me to leave you early, but yes, how could I? So I have taken full advantage. So now I won't stop you to go.
It
So
was really a great it was great journey, and I've already my the next assignment was there, but they are also now listening to this program. So no issues. I really loved the way she had performed. It was mind boggling. Wonderful.
wow.
Thank you, sir.
So bye, Sushant. Thank you for joining and blessing Sarah and be the mentor and guide to her. Thank you very much.
Always, always. Bye, Sarah.
And
Bye,
friends,
Sunil. Bye, Ranuji.
Bye, sir.
I request
Thank
all the
you.
viewers, if you wish to make your child create a world record, you can contact Sushant Mesorkar, CEO Brainrhyme. You can catch his number and details on brainrhyme.com, Singapore. So he will definitely make your child also a world record holder. I hope, Sushant, I'm not wrong. Okay, so bye for now. We'll
Thank you,
catch you
Abba.
soon. Yeah.